These 2025 cars offer reliability, low maintenance, and lasting quality. Perfect for drivers who value peace of mind over flashy trends. Built to last, they're the dependable companions every journey deserves. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. The Corolla's name is nearly synonymous with dependability. For decades, it has served as a benchmark in the compact sedan world. The 2025 model builds on its legacy with even more tech and comfort features, including a user-friendly touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and enhanced safety systems like lane centering assist and adaptive cruise control. With hybrid variants boasting impressive fuel economy, it's more than just a city car. It's a long-distance runner in disguise. It offers comfortable seating, a smooth ride, and excellent fuel economy that keeps long-term costs in check. Its reputation for minimal mechanical issues and long-term durability keeps resale value high and owners loyal for generations. Maintenance is simple and affordable, and the build quality reflects Toyota's decades-long obsession with making things that last. Number 2. Lexus RX. The RX is where luxury and trust intersect. As one of the best-selling luxury SUVs of all time, its formula is simple. Offer a refined experience without sacrificing reliability. The 2025 RX continues to use Toyota's proven hybrid system, delivering a quiet and fuel-efficient ride with minimal wear over time. Inside, it's a haven of soft-touch materials, a new digital cockpit, and advanced driver aids that make every trip relaxed. The powertrain options are smooth, the ride is composed, and the cabin insulation makes for a quiet interior, even at highway speeds. But where the RX truly shines is in its after-purchase experience. Owners often report decade-long satisfaction with minimal repairs. It's upscale without being temperamental, making it one of the most dependable luxury vehicles you can own. It blends elegance and endurance in a package few rivals can match. Number 3. Honda Accord. Still one of the smartest buys in the midsize segment, the 2025 Honda Accord doesn't chase trends. It refines what works. Known for its enduring engines, predictable handling, and well-balanced chassis, it delivers everything you want in a daily sedan. The new model brings in a mild hybrid system for improved fuel efficiency and keeps a spacious cabin that competes with cars a class above. Honda has kept the design crisp, the ergonomics thoughtful, and the materials impressive for the price point. The Accord's reliability comes from its thoughtful engineering, low complexity, high quality, and components that wear well with time. You won't be visiting the service center frequently, and when you do, it's rarely for anything serious. Drivers love how it performs just as well after 150,000 miles as it does on day one. For families or professionals looking for something that won't let them down, the Accord remains a gold standard. It's practical, engaging, and most importantly, incredibly consistent. Number 4. Mazda CX-5. Driving doesn't have to be dull, and the CX-5 proves that. While many compact crossovers aim to be utilitarian, the Mazda CX-5 brings premium flair and driving excitement without skimping on dependability. The 2025 model offers an improved infotainment interface, quieter cabin, and more advanced safety tech, but under the surface, it's still the same reliable performer. Mazda's engineering consistency ensures the drivetrain, suspension, and body integrity hold up well, even after years of use. The attention to build quality and design precision translates into a vehicle that looks and feels more expensive than it is, yet doesn't bring higher repair risks. Owners frequently cite the CX-5's responsive steering and smooth power delivery as highlights that make daily commuting more enjoyable. It's a favorite among owners who want something dependable but with personality. A rare mix in this segment. The CX-5 makes the daily grind feel more refined and less like a compromise, offering a solid blend of form and function. Number 5. Subaru Outback. The Outback is a utility warrior with a heart of gold. Known for its all-wheel drive prowess and wagon SUV design, it's a go-anywhere, do-anything kind of vehicle. The 2025 model builds on its trail-ready identity with better off-road traction control, improved ground clearance in the wilderness trim, and upgraded eyesight safety tech. From grocery store runs to mountain adventures, the Outback handles everything in stride. But beyond its features, it's the longevity that draws loyalists. Owners regularly report Outbacks reaching over 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. It's not uncommon for second-hand Outbacks to be passed between family members and still perform admirably. The symmetrical AWD system is robust and well-tested, and the Boxer engine, though unique, has proven to be durable across generations. Maintenance intervals are predictable and parts are reasonably priced. Whether you're climbing snow-covered hills or cruising cross-country highways, the Outback is built to go the distance. Its blend of capability and consistency makes it a standout in the world of rugged reliability. Number 6. Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra is Hyundai's quiet revolution in compact car dependability. The 2025 model offers enhanced styling, improved ride quality, and smarter tech. But what makes it stand out is how much value it delivers without sacrificing reliability. Hyundai has made massive gains in long-term quality, and the Elantra benefits directly from this. Its engines are smooth and efficient, and its transmission is tuned for durability, not flash. Even as it embraces more digital features, the core mechanicals remain solid. Add in Hyundai's industry-leading warranty, and you get peace of mind that lasts well beyond the first owner. Service costs are lower than the competition, and many parts are standardized across the brand, which means quicker fixes and fewer surprises. For budget-conscious drivers who still want dependability and modern conveniences, the Elantra hits a sweet spot few competitors reach. It's a car that proves you don't need to break the bank to get a long-lasting ride. Number 7. Toyota RAV4. When it comes to mass-market reliability, the RAV4 is the undisputed king of crossovers. The 2025 version builds on its dominance with slight design tweaks, added comfort touches, and a more intuitive infotainment layout. Whether you choose the standard gas model or the fuel-sipping hybrid, you're getting a powertrain built for the long haul. It's the SUV you buy when you want to forget about worrying, because it rarely gives you a reason to. Toyota's meticulous testing and global consistency in build quality make the RAV4 a vehicle you can count on no matter the conditions. It's the family hauler, road tripper, and weekday commuter all in one. And it rarely lets its owners down. Cabin space is generous, cargo room is ample, and everything feels solidly put together. With a huge owner base and excellent support network, the RAV4 continues to be the SUV that makes reliability feel effortless. It's not just dependable, it's predictably great in nearly every category.